And there we go. Look at all that beautiful gold. In today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to find gold. So the first thing you want to do is you want to come down to a gold bearing creek, like such. What you're going to be looking for are cobblestones like that, but you're not going to dig there. Gold doesn't hide there. What we're going to do is we're going to go up and we're going to dig gold out of the sand. That is loaded with black sand. And the sand is exactly where the best gold hides and nobody knows about it. Now that we've spent a little bit of time gathering up some premium material in our gold pan, let's head down to the creek and we'll pan this out and see what we get, eh? Okay, yeah, you're gonna get wet. We're gonna stratify it like this. We're gonna check for nuggies. No nuggies. My boots are filling up with water. Gonna shake it. And there you go. Zhuzh him up like that, okay? And there we go. Look at all that beautiful gold. Oh my God. That's all you got to do and you are on the mother lode. You do not even have to work anymore. You can just retire and dig sand. With all that being said, peace, I'm out, and don't forget to subscribe.